In this tutorial, I want to show you how to create kids tracing activity book in Canva. So to get started, we need to get a blank template. So go to create a design. We're using a custom size, 8.5 by 11 inches. That's what we'll be using. So that's the size for this design. Create new collapse design. This and zoom in a little. So here is a blank template. I need to add margin, show margin. You go to setting and then select show margin. Now we need a text here. I just clicked on T on my keyboard. You can use the text from here or use the shortcut T on your keyboard. Let's go with letter A. Increase it. Or let me just do B. Let me do letter B. Increase the size. Let's get a rounded shape. Select the rounded shape and then resize it or stretch it out to the edge of the margin. I'll take this up. Add a border. I want a border width of 1. Then remove the color fill. I move this letter here. And I want a different font for this letter B. So I'll be using a KG font. Just search for KG. We'll be using this font, KG Primary Penmanship. Select it. I need to increase the size and position it. No, this is not what I want to do. It's letter B that I want to access. All right. Now I need an object or an illustration that starts with letter B. So let's go to elements and get an object, maybe ball. Ball is usually the common. You can modify the search to ball illustration. Click on see all so you can see the options. We're using this one here. Let's resize it. Duplicate this letter here so we can enter the name. Ball. And position it. Select the 3 objects and be sure that the positioning is okay. Go to position. So they are center, they are middle aligned. Let's just tidy up. All right, the next thing we need to do, let's duplicate this B here. Bring it down. Change the font. To this one. Now we can go ahead and duplicate the letter B. and stretch this out. We need to resize it so it can fit our margin. Good. So this is what we want. Now we can duplicate these, duplicate one more time and ensure that the alignment is perfect. So it is well aligned. Now this is how to design tracing activity for kids in Canva. We can also, I think we need to move this ball here so that we will have equal spacing. You can do this for other letters as well. Let's do for numbers. Let's give it a different, let's try something different with numbers. 2. I need to delete this and zoom in. Let's do 3 and increase the size. Take it up. Let's give this 3 a hollow effect. Go to effects, hollow. Now we can duplicate the 3 and type in the word 3. Reduce the size. Then we can duplicate this B here. Bring it down. Reduce the size. Oh, okay. We can maintain the size. Let's maintain the size. Then we want 3, 3, 3, 3. Go ahead and duplicate. We just do 2 lines because I want a different activity below it. So let's go back to test. Circle the group with 3 objects. Change this instruction to all caps. Then reduce the size. Stretch it out. Let's get a table. Go to elements. Scroll down to find table. Get my table. I only need 1 row, so I'll delete the other rows. Delete row. Expand this. And position it. Now let's get our object. We can use any object at all. Spoon illustration. Let me use illustrations. You can use this one. Let's try some other illustration. Maybe resize this. Let's pick this other object. You can pick, let's go with this. Resize it. Resize it and then duplicate. Or just, we can just leave it at one. So this is how to create activity book for kids. I hope you try this out and feel free to share it in the comments with me. See you in my next